In this video, I'll give you a brief description of what SQL is. This video is part of my live session that I did about using BigQuery with GA4 data. If you want to watch the whole series, pay attention to this channel because I will be uploading all the different sections of that live session. For now, let's talk about what SQL is.
The full form of SQL is Standard Query Language. SQL has been there for years now. Databases, I think IBM created this language. It's a standard language for querying any type of database, whether it's Oracle database, whether it's Microsoft SQL database, whether it's BigQuery. It's a standard way of communicating with databases. You need to know that language if you are going to be working with BigQuery. And I cover that in my BigQuery course. So I teach SQL in a layman's terms, like step by step. How do you write queries? How do you pull that relevant data, etc. Everybody who is going to be a data analyst should learn SQL. That's my opinion. More and more job opportunities, if you look, they are looking for SQL skills. More and more companies are going to look for BigQuery because there are limitations with GA4 currently. So whether you are a small business, whether you're a large business, whether you're working for a big organization or working for nonprofit, it doesn't matter. Your career is in your hands, right? That means you have to be prepared for future. Even if your organization is not using it, by using BigQuery and SQL, it might open up some possibilities that you can use at your current organization. And also it gives you a chance to play with the data while you're working for somebody. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. It's used across various types of databases. I said it's pronounced as SQL or SQL. So both the terms. Sometimes I'll say SQL, sometimes I'll say SQL, but both those terms apply to the same thing. That is what SQL is. It's a standard. It's a very, very human-like language. It's very, very easy to grasp. Somebody who wants to learn programming, this is the best language. And it's used across every single organization in some form or the other. If you have a website, somewhere there somebody is using SQL.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment for me. If you want to learn more, then check out the description of this video for some important links. I will be posting more videos from my live session in coming days, so stay tuned.